Four mistakes people make when buying land. The first mistake I'll talk about today is one, people buy land without visiting that land, without knowing the land they are visiting. So always ensure that when you're buying the land, even if you're not around, whether you're abroad or you're far at the time of the purchase, always make sure that you or your representative visit this property. Two, you have to do what we call due diligence. When you visit this property, you should ensure that the neighbors of these properties are well known, and if it's possible, you meet these neighbors, talk with them, and actually find out if the person selling the property is actually their neighbor, or if possible, you ask if the person is the owner. Then you proceed by visiting the local authorities in the area, which in our context, most often, if it's a native land, you need to visit the local chairman of the traditional council and the chief to actually get information concerning the land you need to buy. Then when you visit this land, you must do the measurements of this land, know the specific measurement and the area and total dimension of this property. Three, you should know the documents that this land has. If it's a native land, you should be checking things like the attestation of ownership, the sales agreement, or if it's a land that has title, you should check the title and verify the title at the land registry. And if it's a state land, you should still go to the land registry and lands and survey and land registry to actually know how the ownership of that land has been passed before you proceed to do purchasing and payment. After doing all this, you need your own proper documentation of your land that you have bought. You need to do documents. If it's a native land, you need attestation of ownership, which of course you get from the local chief in the area or the village where the land is located. Or if it's a land that has a title, you need to proceed to the land title to the registry to do extraction. Number four mistake people make when buying land is the failure to do effective occupation of the property you acquired. You need to occupy land effectively after you acquire it. You have to get your site plan registered at Lands and Surveys Office with the aid of your surveyor. Then you know the dimensions of the land you have bought. Then when you do that, you go to the site of that land, make sure that your land is properly marked. If you don't have money to do a well-built fence with blocks, you can get like these metal wires and just fence your land with metal wires so that your property is well marked.